Page 206, The Perfect Webinar Framework by Russell Brunson. Now, it's a pretty cool book, but on page 206, you've got this thing called The Perfect Webinar Framework. And so what I thought I would do, inspired by this great read, actually, is I took that idea of the perfect webinar framework and I turned it into a series of templates that I'm going to be giving away as a free bonus with this week's special offer. So that is the Ultimate 2025 Sales Funnel Templates Bundle, CSS, ready to go, copy and paste, fill in the blanks, make it your own. And so I've got this super crazy cool bonus that I'm giving away. And it came out like this. You can see the files here. But if we take a look at it when it loads on the front end, this is what you're getting as a bonus. I'm giving this away. Have a look at this. So I basically put a little index page here that you can see how it works. And we've got it down to 6 pages. So this is going to give you a jump start. And also, if you are doing internet marketing, this is going to give you a really good starting place of doing webinars, and whether you want to use all the components or some of the components or customize it, or just look at the structure here inspired by this book here. I think you're going to get amazing value here. So landing page, we've got the simple Russell Brunson style landing page here with our bold headline, straight into call to action, what you'll learn from the free webinar. We've got the, let me just go back, confirmation page. And so for this example here, I've kind of included the components here with the different calendars, your registration for the webinar. I've even got the wording ready for you. It's not word for word, but it is inspired by the book here. And so you can customize this and make it your own. You can take any parts out that you don't want there. I've also added some really cool banner effects there that would be relevant. We've also got the live webinar page, so you could put a video replay here, or you could link this up with any kind of webinar platform, and you've got placeholders ready to go for it. And then we have the checkout page. So this is the kind of a high converting style checkout page where you have your reaffirmation of the value proposition. You've got the checkout and you've got a bit of urgency there as well. We've got the upsell page. So if you want to add an upsell page, here you go. Here's another upsell. In this bundle, there's a bunch of upsell pages and downsell pages, but here's a webinar upsell page now ready for you as well. And we've got our thank you page. Normally I would put the video up the top here, but we're going with the inspiration here. So I've got it there as step number 3. So the reason I'm making this video on the weekend here is to let you know, if you want to pick up this amazing CSS sales funnel pages template bundle, there's really nothing like it out there. Tailwind 4 just came out, which makes it super easy to have fast loading mobile friendly pages. Everything is CSS. You don't need a lot of JavaScript or other kind of advanced stuff. I just added a video into the members area of how to edit the different templates, how you can do it with free tools online as well. And so if you want to check out that offer, check it out now. You're going to get a free upgrade to unlimited domains for a killer deal. And now you've got this. I'm just about to upload this into the members area. This the perfect webinar templates bundle. Each one of those template bundles is worth the actual offer. And you're getting the whole thing there with all the other components and sales pages. It's a fantastic resource that you want to have available to you. And it's available right now for a limited time. Cheers.